Today, I'll walk you through how to add HTML code to Elementor WordPress easily, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to integrate custom HTML into your Elementor pages so you can enhance your website's functionality and design. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to access the Elementor editor. To do this, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. From there, find the page you want to edit and click on Edit with Elementor. This will take you to the Elementor interface where the magic happens. Once you're in the Elementor editor, look for the search bar on the left side of the screen. Click on it and type in HTML. This will filter the available widgets, making it easier for you to find the one you need. Now you should see the HTML widget appear in the results. Click on it, and then drag and drop it onto your desired section of the page. This is where you'll be able to insert your custom HTML code. Next, it's time to put your HTML code into the widget. Click on the HTML widget you just added, and a text area will open up on the left side. Here you can paste your HTML code. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the process remains the same. Just ensure that your code is correctly formatted to avoid any issues when it renders on your site. After you've pasted your HTML code, take a moment to review it. Make sure everything looks good and then click the Update button at the bottom of the panel to save your changes. This step is crucial, as it ensures that your new code is live on your website. And there you have it, you've successfully added HTML code to your Elementor WordPress site. This process is similar to adding a special ingredient to a recipe. It enhances the overall dish, or in this case, your website's capabilities. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.